तसंच करू मग. हो हो हो. स्टार्टिंगला काही नाही, तेच टुडे वी आर हिअर फॉर असं म्हणून काही याच्यासारखं. तुम्हाला सरांनी स्क्रिप्ट वगैरे तर काही पाठवलं नाही का, काही हार्ले सरांनी? बर बर. हो. हेलो. Hello, Ugle sir. सर मेरा आवाज क्लियर आ रहा है?
या सर, आवाज अच्छी से आ रही है सर, क्लियर आ रही है सर।
चलो ओके। सो आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है, जो स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे, लोग आएंगे, बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट्स, उनको एडमिट करना है।
ऐड करता हूँ सर, ऐड करता हूँ सभी को। यस
सर, यस सर। सो वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ द सेशन। उगले सर।
Yes, sir.
So now you can start the inauguration program.
Okay, sir. Very good morning, all the participants. You are doing well in the such pandemic situation of the COVID-19. We are arranging this wonderful workshop or STDP on architecture design. Right? So I welcome you all on behalf of Department of Civil Engineering, and brief introduction regarding the STDP is given or given by the Honorable P.V. Khandwe sir. I request him to just brief out the information regarding the computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. Khandwe sir.
So welcome, dear participants. Very good morning to all of you. On the behalf of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Here, now this is one of the important STDP which was organized on second time. AICT ने हमें 3 STDP के लिए sanction दिया था, and with that last STDP was in August, month of August, and there was a great response और काफी अच्छा interaction और ये सारी चीजें इस workshop में हुई. So now today here with the second season of this STDP, 1 week online short-term training program on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design, which is organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. So Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera is one of the premier institute of engineering in Maharashtra, leading towards the center of excellence in the field of engineering and research. Since its inception in 2009, the institute has emerged as one of the best educational institute in Vidarbha region, receiving the university permanent affiliation and NAC accreditation with grade A. So here just have a small glimpses of our college. So I will share one of another PPT here. Audio is clear, sir?
No, sir. Audio is not clear.
Sir, while PPT the audio is not clear, but while talking your audio is clear, sir.
Okay, okay.
No sound, sir. No sound.
Okay, just I am trying, but that just it is a very small video, so just have a look at the pictures.
सिमिलरली अब तीसरा एरर निकालना है तो फिर से यही फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा। तो तीसरे वाले केस में हमारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमने शिफ्ट करके बी पे रखा था, तो यहाँ पे और स्टाफ रखा था सी पे। तो
Welcome to Department of Civil Engineering, PRNCEAM. And their vision to become Center of Excellence in Civil Engineering Education by providing the standard academics that connects knowledge, practice, and research. Mission to foster civil engineering graduates by providing a continuously improving academic environment that provides the advancement of engineering knowledge, growth, and creation in the city. We have dynamic, enthusiastic, qualified, and experienced teaching staff. Well-equipped laboratories with testing services are available with us. Strength of Material Lab, Concrete Technology Lab, Geotechnical Lab, Transportation Lab, Fluid Mechanics Lab, Surveying Lab, Structural Analysis Lab, Environment Lab.
Universal testing machine of 100 tons capacity is used for testing.
Concrete cubes are tested on compression testing machine of 200 tons capacity.
We promise advanced total station facility for land surveying work.
Center of Excellence in Concrete Technology is supporting student projects.
We have ICT-enabled classroom and computer lab with advanced civil engineering softwares.
Our students have shown highest contribution in National Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
We run Remote Corporation, Certified Workforce Development Program for Project Management.
Internship support collaboration with industries is given to students. Student undertakes sponsored projects under with industries. We have active Indian Concrete Institute student chapter. Enthusiastic civil engineering student technical firm undertake various technical and social activities.
We provide consultancy services for civil engineering design and testing services. Enrichment of students is done through workshops, training programs, and industrial visits. Free community support for rainwater harvesting is our social contribution. Rural development exposure to students is given through part of the projects in adopted villages.
We nurture students to get opportunities in various fields of civil engineering through training and internship. We also provide guidance and support for higher studies. And thus, feel the difference and be the difference by becoming successful civil engineer with us. Thanks.
So I welcome to all to this STDP. Now here with the last STDP, we are every day we are having 4 sessions. So first session will be from 9:30 to 10:30. Then there will be a break. Then another session will be from 10:30 or 11 to 12. Then third session will be from 1 to 2. And then another session will be from 2:30 to 3:30.
इस जहां में दूसरा ही एक जहां बनता है।
So every day,
मैं अकेला ही कलाकार या मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां
so I welcome to all of you to this STDP. So as there are some of the guidelines we have shared to the our WhatsApp group. So everybody has to follow this guideline for attending this STDP. So I will just enumerate here some of the guidelines so that you will be well understanding. Now in first day of the STDP, we are having 4 important session. So that will be one session by Dr. M.S. Ali sir. Then second session today will be by A.B. Ugle sir on introduction to earthquake resistant design. Then third session will be on IS 1893 part 2 by Dr. Rajan Wankhede sir. And then the fourth session is very much important, where we are now learning hands-on on ETAB software. So Dr. Vijay Khose will be with us, who will give us how to start and how to build the model and analysis of earthquake resistant design building using ETAB software. So that will be our fourth session. And after that, the link for the feedback will be shared to the participant every day. On some day, we have arranged 5 sessions, and on some day there are 4 sessions. All these sessions will be again made available to the participants after the end of this STDP. Then on second day, we will be having with us Dr. Pajgade sir, and then O.R. Jaiswal sir from VNIT Nagpur. He will be guiding us on IS 1893 part 2 for that is design of water tank for earthquake resistant. Then R.K. Ingre sir will be also there. He will be guiding us on IS 1893 part 3 for bridge design, that is earthquake resistant design for bridge. Then every day we have arranged one on the hands-on session. So that is second day, the value engineering in seismic resistant design of high-rise building. That demonstration on the software will be given by E.R. Vaidya. So likewise, you have referred to all these STDP. So there will be a great opportunity for all of us for learning from this STDP. So on the behalf of that Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, I again welcome to all of you. And I want to just say thanks to our management led by Dr. Nitin Dhande sir for giving us and encouraging us opportunity for arranging such type of STDPs. I also thanks to my principal sir for encouraging us to arrange this nice STDP sponsored by AICTE. And in this all this week, I hope that all of you will enjoy these STDP sessions. There are एक से एक बढ़कर हमारे पास यहाँ पर हमारे जो experts है उनका काफी experience है और काफी अच्छी तरीके से, and this is one of the new subject in our area. Earthquake resistant design STDPs are very few, and this is one of the STDP that we have got opportunity to arrange for all of us. So it is my request that all the participants will take the most of the advantages. Most important thing is whatever the Zoom link was there, they are same for all the day. So all of you have to remember that for every day, the same Zoom link you have to use, but only it is changing for different session. So 9:30 बजे के लिए अलग लिंक है, then 10:30 बजे के लिए 11 बजे के सेशन के लिए अलग लिंक रहेगी, then 1 बजे के लिए भी अलग लिंक है, और then 2:30 के लिए भी अलग से लिंक है. So all of you have to remember that you have to use the respective link for joining the STDP. Then one another important thing is that every day when all the participants are entering into the session, so you have to mark your attendance. So for that attendance purpose, on our WhatsApp group, we have displayed the list of participants. So every participant has given with one registration number. So that is starting from CE1, CE2, CE3, CE4. And likewise, all the participants has given with the registration number. So when you are entering into the session in every session, in the starting, you have to type your full name and registration number. For example, I will type CE01 and I will type my name. So likewise, in all the sessions, you have to mark your attendance by typing your participant registration ID and your full name in the chat box. So that you have to remember every day. Now here, all the sessions are arranged that they are for 1 hour duration. So if you are having some of the questions, then you can type your question in the chat box. Because of the time constraint, it is not possible that every day all the questions will be covered. But we will see that whatever the questions you have placed in your chat box, that we will forward to the expert faculty and they will guide you regarding that whatever the question will ask. So by following the instructions given on our STDP WhatsApp group, every participant has to take the good advantage of this STDP. And I wish that everybody will gain new knowledge and insight for computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. So here I again welcome to this STDP to all the participants, and then we will meet every day with the new enthusiasm and with the new expert for gaining some of the new knowledge. So thank you for being here with us in this STDP. And I again thanks on the behalf of Department of Civil Engineering to all of you that giving this nice opportunity and attending in huge number. So almost 450 participants were registered for this STDP, and we have given opportunity to all of them to join this STDP. So in the next afternoon session, they will be with us, and I hope that you will also cooperate with us, and this same attendance will be there in all the sessions, and together we will achieve a good thing for all of us. So thank you for listening me here for this inaugural speech, and in few minutes, if the principal sir will be available, so then he will be also guiding us for the session. Ugle sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words and welcome speech.
So I think so there I have received one of the video from inauguration session for Dr. MS Ali sir. So I will share that. So that will be good for us for listening to our principal sir. So I will just share that video in a minute.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Dr. MS Ali, welcome you to this inaugural session of 1 week faculty development program on computational intelligence with applications to earthquake resistant design. First of all, I wish you all the very best and pray to the Almighty to bestow all the humanity and all of us with prosperity, peace, health, and safety. My sincere thanks go to All India Council of Technical Education for providing us an opportunity to run this 1 week FDP online so that maximum people can be benefited and they can utilize their work from home time because of COVID situation, that they will be able to contribute to the development of their knowledge as well as growth with reference to application of computational intelligence in civil engineering, particularly to earthquake resistant design. On behalf of Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, I hereby declare that AICT sponsored 1 week online faculty development program starting from 3rd of August 2022, 8th of August 2020 on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design is hereby inaugurated. As you know that we should always try to learn new things and try to grow. So we say we must be lifelong learner. As a teacher, it is our first and foremost responsibility to be the learner all the time. So we as teacher are lifelong learner. Learn, and whatever learning we have done, whatever knowledge we have gained, that must be applied to create further knowledge and dissemination of that knowledge. We learn, we apply the knowledge, and then we prosper. So learn, apply, and prosper. That is LEAP. Leap will lead us to growth, lead us to new knowledge. As the saying goes, we must learn from yesterday, apply today, and prosper tomorrow. So this cycle continues. Learn from yesterday, apply today, prosper tomorrow. So what is today will become yesterday, what is tomorrow will become today, and this cycle continues. And what we should not stop is learning. The most important thing being not to stop learning. So with this as FDP, we'll be definitely learning. As far as my case goes, I will be talking to you, rather I will be sharing my experience with you all 6 days for computational intelligence as such, where I will just introduce you to the concept of computational intelligence, CI. What is the difference between CI and AI, artificial intelligence? Then we'll be talking about one part of computational intelligence known as fuzzy rule-based systems. Then we'll talk about artificial neural network, then AM-based system, then computational intelligence, and fuzzy logic. You became attentive. That's what I wanted. You become attentive that introduction, fuzzy logic, fuzzy rule-based system, ANN-based system, and neuro-fuzzy system will be covering under, I will be covering rather. Other speakers, other dignitaries, they will be speaking on application of computational intelligence to civil engineering, particularly to earthquake resistant design. So computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design, this is the time. Today is a good day to leap forward to learn about application of computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. What can be the best day than this today, 3rd of August, Raksha Bandhan Day? Day before yesterday we celebrated Eid. So it cannot be better or most auspicious time than this, that we should aspire for learning new knowledge. So with this, I wish you all the very best, and I am very hopeful that this AICT sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design will be very fruitful. I sincerely appeal you to utilize the available knowledge and time to gain insight into computational intelligence and try to apply it into your own area of interest. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the very best.
So thanks to Dr. Principal M.S. Ali sir. And now this with this our today's STTP was now inaugurated. So before again joining for the next session, just I want to highlight some of the points so that I will be just reading before you, and then we will end this inauguration program, and then we will start with the next speaker session. So here you have to remember all the instructions as a participants for joining all the sessions hereafter onward. So please be ready before 5 to 10 minutes to join the meeting. Please keep your audio on mute mode for better experience. Keep your video off during the expert presentation for better experience of listening. Please do not try to share your screen so that the expert will not get distracted. Then you can raise your questions in the chat box only. Few questions will be answered by the experts during the meeting, and other questions will be answered via WhatsApp group or separate email to that participant. Please ensure that participants are not moving during the session, and if your video is on, so then it will be not disturbing to others. Every day at the start and end, you need to type your name in chat box for keeping the good and quick tracking of your attendance. So thanks for that. All the participants are now typing their registration number and name in the chat box. Then the certificate will be shared by email after 10 days only to the participants attending the workshop on all 6 days. So that always all of you have to remember. The certificate will be issued to those participants having 75 to 80% of attendance in all the sessions and participants passed in the final online time-bound objective test. So there will be one small objective test on the final day. But for that, every day, after every session, we will share some of the objective questions to you, so that you will get all the collection of your objective questions based on the session topic. And at the end, based on that objective MCQ question, you have to appear for the final screening test of this STTP. Then submitting the feedback form is compulsory to all the participants on every day for the link shared through our WhatsApp group only. So every day after 4:30, the link will be shared, feedback link will be shared through the WhatsApp group, and there all of you have to submit the feedback, and in that feedback form you will find out the MCQ objective question based on the everyday session. So please remember that there are restrictions for maximum number of participants receiving the certificate from AICTE. Hence, participants are requested to attend the session regularly and submit the feedback form on time and appear for the final objective test. So these are the some of the guidelines. So if there are any few doubt regarding all these guidelines and all that, so you can type your doubt in chat box, or then otherwise we will end this inaugural session, and then we will start for that new session with the expert speaker. So Ugle sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can now start your concluding remark.
Okay, sir. Dear all participants, thank you for joining this STTP on computational intelligence. We welcome you all on behalf of Department of Civil Engineering as well as VYWS and Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management. Our next session will start at 10:30. The title of the session is Introduction to Earthquake Engineering. Thank you.
So Ugle sir.
Sir.
Next session we will start at 10:30.
Yes, 10:30.
Yes. So now it is
Actually,
10.
time is 11, but we can start.
Yeah. So we will start at 10:30.
Yes, sir.
So I again thanks to all the participants for joining with this STDP on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design, organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. So here now I declare that this inaugural session was over, and then we will again meet at 10:30 on this Zoom meeting session for the next session of this STDP. So thanks for being with us today here. Thanks to all.
Thank you all.